participants over here and also the resource persons who have helped us to complete this program. I also thank the co-coordinator for Professor Feroz for carrying out the activities well on time and in a neat fashion. And I thank all the other members, also the HOD of our department, the principal of our college, and all people who have helped us in completing this program in a nice fashion. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. So I think now it's a time for the feedback session. So I request the participants to share your feedback. It is more valuable for us because for the improvement, for suggestions, everything. So I request the participants to share their feedback.
Good morning, all of you. Happy New Year. This is Dr. Shalini Goyal from HMR ITM, Delhi. I have attended almost all the sessions and got very much impressed by all the dignitaries who spoke so well, and there was so much furnished with latest knowledge that all of us, all those we have who have attended these sessions, will ultimately gain from it. There is no doubt in that. And especially I like the session the most was the based on yoga. That was ma'am, I think Rohini Srinivasan ma'am. She was very, very good at her presentation, and I have gained a lot from her. And I think that is one of the very important tasks that should be used by all the colleges and all the universities, because it helps in we can get knowledge from books also, we can get knowledge from workshops, and we can get knowledge from websites or net also. But what we think what is required is yoga should be there, and I will suggest that it should be a part of our life, whether we are in college or whether we are in school. It should be a part of our life. And other lectures were also very fine. All I have come to know about more details about cryptography and attacks and all cyber security things. So it has been a very, very fantastic workshop, and I will like to have more sessions with you to attend more things from you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Shalini ma'am. Thank you so much for your feedback. So I request any other participant also to share their feedback. Rajeshri ma'am, you could share in a few words.
Ma'am, your mic is on mute.
Ma'am, it's not audible.
Rajeshri ma'am, your mic is on mute.
No, ma'am.
Now it's clear, ma'am. Now it's clear. Please continue.
Okay. So, good afternoon, everybody, and a very happy New Year. So, the sessions, most of the sessions I attended, but sorry to say that I couldn't attend on a full stretch because I have some student evaluation going on in parallel. Anyway, whichever is the session I attended, it was really informative. And see, since we are from different disciplines, so all the speakers they took the sessions in such a way that everybody can understand. So it was really nice, and it was a wonderful experience. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Sir Gausab, are you there, sir? Sandeep, sir, are you there? Hi, sir. I think your network is a bit
Hello.
low. And now it's audible.
Hello.
Sir. Hello.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Good afternoon, all of you, and happy New Year to all, everyone. I am Professor Sarvebhav Saib Suresh. I am from SB Patil College of Engineering, Indapur, Maharashtra. I heartily thankful to TKM College of Engineering, Kodam, for this nice FDP, and I also thanks to this FDP coordinator K. Ruby Roy, sir, and also Firoz sir, all the session on time, and all the session are very useful and informative to us. I attend all the session. So all the sessions are very good and very nice. So thank you all and one for such a wonderful FDP. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. I noticed you in all the sessions. That's why I called you. Thank you so much, sir. Jafar sir, Amit sir. I think someone has raised a hand in the chat. Anyone else? Ma'am.
Hi, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. May I know who is this?
Wish you very happy New Year. I am Soundarya from
Yes,
KSK
ma'am.
College of Engineering and Technology,
Yes, ma'am.
Kumbakonam. Okay. So very
Ma'am,
nice
can you
session, sir.
can you switch on your video also? It's fine.
The place is not good for the
Okay, fine, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay, it's okay, fine. Please continue, ma'am.
personal situation.
Please continue. Please
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. The entire session is very, very good and very useful because I am from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, and my favorite domain is cryptography and network security. So the cyber security, the entire session is very, very nice, especially the Saraswati ma'am handling excellent session for the attacks, especially attack session. It's very nice. So on the remaining section also very, very good. And Feroz sir, excellent coordination. So that's all. So thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much, Sandra, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Snehal, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Very good afternoon and Happy New Year to all. I would like to say something, sir, regarding this FDP. Actually, this FDP is well organized as well as well coordinated, and all the sessions are fantastic. I would like to join few more if you are going to organize the same with different topics, obviously. Thank you,
Thank you.
sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much. Anyone else?
Sir, I would like to say
Tell
something,
me.
Kuntal Gaur.
No, sure, ma'am. May I know who is this so that I can pin you? May I know your name, please? Ma'am?
Kuntal, sir.
Ma'am.
Kuntal.
Yes, ma'am. Tell me, ma'am, please.
Hello, everyone. Happy New Year from my side. I am Kuntal Gaur from Manipal University, Jaipur, Rajasthan. I am doing this FDP was really very helpful, and what I like most about it is that it also considered mental health and physical health of the students along with all the knowledge sessions that we had. So I would really like to thank the organizer for such wonderful FDP. Thank you, Feroz sir, very much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much. Rubey, sir, can you share a few words? Okay, I think with that we can conclude the Valkyrie session. Before that, let me take some snapshots of the participants. Many are there. Okay, I think we can conclude the session. So, let me thank every participant who came over here for attending our session. So I think in almost all the sessions there were about more than 70% participants were there. That was great because I also attended a lot of adult workshops. So I know what happens during this, especially the class time and all. Anyway, so happy that a lot of people were there for the sessions, and I hope that as a coordinator I could communicate to all the participants on time, and I'm happy that I could share all the videos that was recorded here in the YouTube, and almost as a coordinator we could do completely all the things. Anything is to be done more, please share your feedback in the chat box and the the WhatsApp group so that we can do it. Anyway, materials that has been shared in the Google Drive and videos are shared in the YouTube link, and the test link is also shared in the chat box and WhatsApp group. You can complete it by, you have time till 4 p.m. Please do it, and and don't worry that I will send it once again. Maybe some may miss that particular link. Anyway, don't worry about that. Anyway, that link is already shared in the WhatsApp group also. Again, I shared in the chat box. So let me come to my duty. So first of all, I would like to thank my coordinator, Raviroj sir, for supporting me and also for being with me throughout the sessions, and our principal, Dr. Shahul Hamid sir, and our head of the department, Dr. N.K. Mohammed Sajid. And I, last but not least, I thank all the participants for being with us throughout the sessions. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. So once again, Happy New Year to all. Let this corona wave goes and a new, fresh, a very prosperous year comes for us. Thank you all. So please go and complete the test and stay happy, stay safe. Thank you all.
Thank you, Firoz sir.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Firoz sir. Very
Thank you
nice. Happy New Year to you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Firoz sir. Happy New Year.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
I think someone has a message which is test link. Test link consists of three parts. One is actually the just your details, and second one is the feedback, just three questions, and third one is the exam questions. Okay. Thank you all. Yes, sir. You can leave. I'm done, sir. Thank you. Everyone can leave. I was just waiting for everyone to leave so that I can end the meeting. Happy New Year, Sunil sir. Thank you. Test link is available in the WhatsApp chat also. So anyone need to complete, please do it before 4 p.m. so that we can process it and update it in the adult portal. Thank you once again and Happy New Year to you. Thank you, sir.